Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Noibat in Pokémon X and Y. Noibat is a fascinating dragon and flying type Pokémon that you can find in the Terminus Cave. This cave is located on Route 18, a bit later in your adventure. You'll need to explore the cave's various levels, as Noibat can appear in both the main areas and the deeper sections. Keep your eyes peeled as you navigate the winding paths. When searching for Noibat, it's good to know it has about a 30% encounter rate within Terminus Cave. To make your search more efficient, consider using repels to avoid encountering weaker Pokémon you don't need. Simply walk around in the cave's tall grass or dark areas, and Noibat should eventually appear. If you have a Pokémon with the ability Illuminate, that can also help increase your encounter rate, making your hunt a little quicker. Once you encounter a Noibat, the next step is to catch it. First, weaken its health to a low amount, but be careful not to knock it out. Then, inflict a status condition like sleep or paralysis to significantly boost your chances. Inside the cave, Dusk Balls are incredibly effective, offering a higher catch rate. Ultra Balls are also a solid choice if you don't have many Dusk Balls on hand. Good luck with your capture. After successfully catching your Noibat, you'll be excited to know it evolves into the powerful Noivern. Noibat evolves at level 48, so you'll need to train it up quite a bit. Noivern is a formidable dragon and flying type Pokémon, known for its incredible speed. While Noibat starts with a base speed stat of 55, Noivern boasts an impressive base speed stat of 123, making it a very fast and valuable team member.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.